When you get out of baggage claim, come across the street, you're going to want to look for this orange sign right there. That's the ride share one. So have 19 and 20. You go down a little bit more, there's others each direction. So we're coming out of Terminal 2. Uber picks up from here, but Lyft wouldn't pick up from here. They only have 2 areas. So wherever you're at, check either Uber or Lyft to figure out who can come and get you. Now, if you're flying Hawaiian or Alaskan, which is now Atmos, the Pulmonaria Lounge is right here on the 3rd floor. And what's awesome is you can get the Wiki transfer to terminals B, C, D, E, and I want to say F. So, but all the external terminals, you can pick up the Wiki shuttle right there. So they do serve food here. You can get free beer and free wine. They have soda, coffee, and tea. And then what's cool is, especially if you're working, they have these workstations where you can plug in your laptop. And the Wi-Fi speed here is insane. For uploading the videos from Hilo at the Hilton that we stayed at, it was going to be 14 hours. When I uploaded it here, it gave me a 38-minute wait time. So the Wi-Fi here is fantastic. We're in Terminal C. Now, Terminal C is not technically an international terminal, as they don't have a dedicated international terminal here in Hawaii and Honolulu. But you're going to primarily have all the larger aircraft here at Terminal C. Japanese airlines, Asiana, Korea. We're flying Hawaiian on a A330, so that's here in Terminal C. Terminal C also has the ANA, so Asiana, and JAL, Japan Airlines terminal lounges. They're on the 3rd floor. This terminal is pretty nice. There's only 9 gates. There, about every 3rd gate, there's a charging station. About every 3rd gate is restrooms, so there's plenty of restrooms. There's a Starbucks here. There's a couple bookstores here, and a couple eating options here as well. So let's go take a look at Terminal C here in Honolulu International Airport. Now, once you get here, no matter where you're coming in, you can take and walk, or you can take the Wiki shuttle. Now, the Wiki shuttle can be a bus, depending on what terminal you're coming from, and it could also be a golf cart. So we took a golf cart, but buses have been running up and down here as well. Now, another cool thing is, as you get to each gate has a Wiki shuttle stop. So you tell them what gate you're going to, and they'll drop you off right at that gate. So that's very convenient. Here's an example. This is the Wiki shuttle for C1. C1, very convenient. So if you're flying Asiana by C3, third floor, the lounge. So this charging station by C5, they have a couple more on the way down to C9. They're tucked in, so you gotta look for them. They're not as open as those were. One thing I like about Honolulu Airport is between the terminals, it's open aired, so you can enjoy the weather. This airport is huge. There is 8 terminals. It goes all the way from A to H. I can't do every one, or it's going to be like an hour-long video. So I'm going to do the international, and I'm going to do the terminal I'm leaving out of, and then I'm going to hit the common areas. This is what I mean by open air between the concourses here. And down below, they have a Japanese tea garden, and all the lounges are down there. Just in case you were wondering who Daniel Inoue is, he is was a longtime politician from Hawaii. Now here's some interesting facts about the airport. It is the first in the world offshore airport. They use a coral reef. They put about 20 million tons of dredged dirt and 12 million pounds of rock to keep it protected. But it's the first one in the world that's been on a coral reef. After the attacks on Pearl Harbor, the military took control of the airport, gave it back in 1946, but this is a shared runway with Pearl Harbor and Hickam Air Force Base. Remember Daniel Anuke that I mentioned earlier? Well, he is also a Medal of Honor recipient, and they have this display case set up for him. I looked up to make sure I was being respectful of how you spell his name. It's pronounced in no way. I thought it was in no K, but it's in no way. Now, this airport, it sits on 4,200 acres of land. It's a city within its city. It's got its own police department, its own jail, its own post office. It has its own freeway system and traffic lights and everything like that. So it's a city within a city. Now, to put in perspective how big this airport is, it is 1% of the entire island. There's about 15,000 employees that work here, making it one of the largest single employers outside of the military for residents here in Oahu. Now, if you're renting a car, as soon as you get out of baggage claim, the car rental facility is on the other side of the street. So when you cross, you'll have the Uber and Lyft pickup in that island. The next road over will be the car rental facility. Very huge, very nice. And then just so you know, just outside of the airport is an IHOP and a gas station. So when you're coming back, if you're coming back on an early flight, you can get a gas, and right next to the gas station is an IHOP, so you have something else to eat besides coming here to the airport to grab something. This airport, it handles almost 1,000 aircraft arrival and departures a day. It's very big. Now, if you are coming here to Oahu to vacation, make sure you check out my playlist of things to do in Hawaii. I've got everything on the island checked off for you. Now we're going to check out Terminal E because that's where we're leaving from. But if you have any questions about this airport, please let me know. Now, if you do have mobility issues, it is a long walk from the terminal to baggage claim, so you may want to set up that wheelchair assistance. Back in the day when you landed here, everybody was greeted with a lei. Well, they don't do that anymore because there's so many passengers now. But they have kiosks like this and stores like that you can still get laid here in the airport. You know what I mean. Completes our time here in Honolulu International Airport. If you have any questions about it, let me know. If you're trying to figure out a place to stay, I've got several videos here of hotels and pretty much every attraction that's big here in Oahu as well.